In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Trello with Google Calendar using Zapier. By following these steps, you will be able to automatically sync your Trello cards with your Google Calendar, streamlining your task management process. Begin by navigating to the Zapier homepage, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Zapier website address. Once the page loads, look for the sign up or login option in the top right corner. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Next, locate and click on the Create button. This button is usually positioned prominently on your dashboard. After clicking, you will be directed to a new page where you can set up a new Zap, which is the automation that connects Trello and Google Calendar. After that, click on the Zaps option found in the left sidebar. This section allows you to view and manage all your created Zaps. Once you are in this section, you will see a list of any existing Zaps you have created or an option to create a new one. Once this appears, you will need to type in the search bar with the term Trello or Google Calendar to highlight the specific app you want to integrate. This search function helps you quickly find the applications necessary for creating your automation. Following this, click on the Start Building button. This option is typically highlighted on the page and will lead you to the automation setup interface where you can configure the details of your integration. Next, click on the Trigger Event section. This is where you will specify the event in Trello that will trigger the action in Google Calendar. Look for the drop-down menu that appears after clicking. Then select New Card archived from the list of available trigger events. This choice will ensure that whenever a card is archived in Trello, it will create a corresponding event in your Google Calendar. Afterward, click on the Account section that appears. This step is necessary for linking your Trello account with Zapier. You will see an option to connect your Trello account, which is essential for the integration to function properly. Next, click on Connect Trello. A prompt will appear asking you to authenticate your Trello account. Follow the on-screen instructions to successfully link your Trello account to Zapier. Then click on Google Calendar. This will allow you to set up the action that will occur in Google Calendar once the trigger from Trello takes place. Ensure you have your Google account ready for authentication. Next, click on the Action Event section to define what action will take place in Google Calendar. This section will provide a list of possible actions that you can select for your integration. Select Create Detailed Event from the action events available. This option will create a new event in your Google Calendar whenever a Trello card is archived. After this, click on the Account section again to prepare for linking your Google Calendar accounts. Similar to Trello, you will need to authenticate your Google Calendar account. Then click on Connect Google Calendar. A window will pop up prompting you to log into your Google account and grant Zapier the necessary permissions to access your calendar. If you'd like to integrate Trello with Google Calendar yourself, I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. This will provide you with direct access to start the integration process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.